fish and boy, I'm a big boy. Load me salmon, keep caula, extra large, lily koi, squid or chicken luau. Don't forget the lau lau, beef or tripe stew, just to name a few. Oh yeah. Can't forget Papa's speciality.